Okay, so now let's talk about band. I already told you what is a band, right? In IELTS, we don't have this much mark, no terms like that. In IELTS, we always use the term band, right? 9 band, 8 band, 7 band, as per the requirement, right? So we will be looking at the bands, the meaning. What does it say about you, or what does it say about your level of English? Okay, we all know, like, band, I need this band to go there, we all know about the requirements, but the problem is that it's not a problem, but we should be knowing about it. That means, if you get 9 band, what does it mean? Okay, what's your level? Okay, and if you get band 5, what does it say? Okay, what do you have to do right there? Okay, so and also in IELTS there is a band 0, so we'll be discussing that. Okay, so I'll share my screen right now. Okay, so let's talk about IELTS test score, which means bands. Okay, IELTS results are scored on a scale of 1 to 9. The score that students need to achieve will vary depending on the individual institution requirements, okay, as per the requirements that I said to you earlier. Okay, so it is on a scale of 1 to 9, and let's have a look at the next one, which is band score and the skill level and the description. Okay, what does it say about you? If you get a band score of 9, it means that you are expert user in English. Okay, and the description, you can read that the test taker has fully operational command of the language, their use of English is appropriate. Okay, it's appropriate, accurate and fluent, and shows complete understanding. Okay, so that's what we have to look for. Okay, that means we should be looking for band 9 score, and in my personal opinion, we should not be go below this band score. Okay, we should be aiming band 9 score all the time. Okay, and let us go to the next band, which is band 8. Okay, which means that very good user, the test taker has fully operational command of the language with only occasional unsystematic inaccuracies and inappropriate usage. Okay, that's why I told you to aim for band 9. Okay, and in if you get band 9, there is fully operational command of the language, and use of English is appropriate, accurate and fluent. Okay, and shows complete understanding. But in this case, it will come like only occasional unsystematic inaccuracies and inappropriate usage are there. Okay, and they may misunderstand some things in unfamiliar situations, which is really important. If we come across any kind of unfamiliar situations, then there is a chance that we may misunderstand some things. Okay, and they handle complex and detailed argumentation well. Okay, which means that not bad. Okay, and then what is band 7? Okay, it means that good user. Okay, the test taker has operational command of the language, though with occasional inaccuracies, inappropriate usage and misunderstandings in some situations. They generally handle complex language well and understand detailed reasoning. Okay, so these two levels means that you are not bad. Okay, but not like band 9. Okay, then what is band 6? Competent user. The test taker has an effective command of the language despite some inaccuracies, inappropriate usage and misunderstandings. They can use and understand fairly complex language, particularly in familiar situations, which means that if you have familiar situations, then only you will be able to use the language. Okay, otherwise there is a chance for inaccuracies, inappropriate usages and misunderstandings. Okay, and what is band 5? Modest user. Okay, has a partial command of the language and copies with overall meaning in most situations. Okay, in most of us maybe like that, which means that cops with overall meaning in most situations. That's what we do, right? Okay, we can relate to us. Although they are likely to make many mistakes, they should be able to handle basic communication in their own field. Okay, I hope you understood that. Okay, and this is the last level in my personal graph. Okay, below this you cannot stoop into. Okay, you cannot go further. You should at least your level should be this level 5. That is, you should be a modest user in order to start learning for IELTS. Otherwise, I am telling you, believe me, it will be very difficult for us to crack the IELTS within a short period. Okay, so I recommend you should be at least level band 5 level, this level, modest user, and we should be aiming at band score 9. Okay, fine. Then what is band 4? Limited user. Take as basic competencies limited to familiar situations. They frequently show problems in understanding expression. They are not able to use complex language. Okay, so that's why I told you below this, never. Okay, then 3 is extremely limited user. Okay, you can read the description. Then intermittent user, band 2. Okay, then the test taker, okay, intermittent user. Then band 1, non-user, no ability to use the language except a few isolated words. Okay, and then there comes band 0, which means that you didn't attempt the test. Okay, in IELTS we will not be getting band 0 if we attend the examination. The lowest band score you will get is 1 if you attend the test. Okay, otherwise if you haven't attended the test, then your band level will be 0. Otherwise the lowest is 1. Okay, so that's all about band, and if you have any doubts you can comment and you can ask me. I'll be happy to help you. And also, if you are preparing for your IELTS OET courses, you can reach out us, and there is contact number in the description. And also please subscribe to this channel if it is if you found this channel useful, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of the notifications. Okay, and we'll be updating new lessons soon. Stay updated, and best of luck with your examinations.